Hello, welcome to Fanny with Stephanie!
If you're looking for something cheeky, creative and guaranteed to make the girls giggle, then you're in the right place. Today we're trying one of our most popular activities, Fanny. Yep, you heard that right. This craft workshop is all about having a laugh with your friends while getting hands-on and felting your very own, Fanny. Don't worry if you're not the crafty type. Whether you're a felting pro or you've never even picked up a needle, this workshop is perfect for all abilities. With guidance from a professional felt maker, you'll learn how to use foam sponge, colourful felt and a special barbed wire needle. And let's be real, the more you relax and have a giggle, the better the end result. During this 2.5 hour session, you and the girls will be creating something truly one of a kind. Whether you're turning it into a keyring, brooch or keeping it as a hilarious memento from your hen party, it's sure to spark a few conversations later. Plus, all material are provided, so all you need to bring is your sense of humour and a fun-loving spirit. This quirky workshop is a massive hit in Brighton, especially for hen do's and birthdays. Trust us, it's an experience you'll be talking about for years. So if you're up for something totally different, packed with laughs, creativity and memories, Fanny is the perfect activity for your next celebration. Head over to Fizzbox to book your session now and let's get crafty.